What a beautiful day. So you've just bought a van. It's entirely empty, you've stripped everything out, and now you've got to start doing things. And that's when it gets a bit complicated. See, you know you want power, you know you want power storage, so that means you need a battery and an inverter. You know you want to be able to charge it, either when you're driving or from the sun or when you're doing nothing and just plugged in. And there's a lot of items on the market, very easy to get confused. So how big does my battery need to be? How big does my inverter need to be? A DC-DC charger, my solar regulator, all of that it can get messy. If you don't know what you're doing, you don't know the market, and you kind of don't really know what you want, and you've never done one before, that can lead to a bit of tetchiness. That's before you even get to installing it. Right? You buy all these items, you know exactly what you want. Let's say you're one of the few who actually know what they want, and you buy it all, and it all arrives, and now you've got to install it. Right? So you've got to find your way to the starter battery, you've got to be able to run cabling through underneath in pretty ways, or not pretty ways. I have seen some interesting installs. And then you've got to make it all work safely. And if you can't do that, you have to get someone else to do it. And most of these people charge you. So that can start to add up, right? You've got all the items, and you need the expertise, and you might not even be able to trust that they're giving you the right thing. Why don't we just simplify all of that and just do it in one box? Yeah? Why don't we just have everything in one box? No install needed, just put it out there. God, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? God, that'd be... Hello. That's Hardy. Hardy is a nice guy. Hardy is either a 150 amp hour or 300 amp hour lithium battery. Not bad. He's also a 3.5 kilowatt pure sine 240 volt AC inverter. Nice. See, he's also a DC-DC charger. So if you have access to anything that's being pulled from that starter circuit, as long as you can give Hardy, my mate Hardy, an ignition feed, he's going to run. He's going to start charging whenever you're driving. So that's three things in one. He's pretty good. He's also got a solar regulator built in. He's got a solar regulator that can just take your solar input directly. Nice. But there's also another thing, because, I mean, we've seen power packs before, right? We've seen power packs, we've seen a battery and inverter. Most of them don't charge very well, but we've seen them, right? Well, my mate Hardy, he's got direct DC contacts as well. Let's say you want a slightly higher charge rate, right? Let's say you want 150 amp charge, a bit aggressive, but you can do it via the Anderson socket leads. You can just throw more chargers on here, right? And if you want more capacity, there's another thing you can do. Another battery on here. A modular battery system with a competent inverter, good storage, pretty good looking looks. What are we missing? Nothing. Battery monitor on here, Bluetooth on here, 30 amp DC-DC charger, an impressive amount of capacity, direct contacts to expand your battery bank with, or to expand your charge capabilities with, or to have 12 volt loads running off of. It's really everything. This is an entire van install in one box. All you got to do, drop it in and use it. Never been easier.